The law of cosines is made up of three separate equations, but you only need to memorize one of them. But before I continue teaching you about the law of cosines, make sure you subscribe so that you do not miss the blooper reel, because I have messed up this video so many times that the blooper reel is going to be crazy. Like, off the wall bonkers. Like, that's what you're going to think of me when you see the blooper reel. The equation that I would recommend memorizing is the one that starts with c squared. So, it's c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine angle c. The angle c is important because you do not want to do the cosine of the side that you're trying to find in order to find said side. So, now that you have that, how should you go about memorizing it? Well, you should just look at it and look at the Pythagorean theorem side by side. You can see some major similarities, can't you? Particularly the part where the law of cosines is just the Pythagorean theorem with minus AB cosine of the angle C. That is also why I recommend the C squared one, because that's the one that looks most like the Pythagorean theorem. But why do you only memorize one of them? What about the other two? Those are useful, right? Why aren't you memorizing the other ones? Well, the major reason for that is that you can just kind of, oh, I'm trying to find side A, okay. Well, where I see a C, I put A. Where I see an A, I put C. There. That's the new equation. That is one of the other equations that you need to memorize. It is that simple to get all three of the equations from just one of them. That is why you only want to do one of the equations for memorizing, because you can just use the one equation that you memorized to very easily find the other two. You're literally just swapping out some letters. If you want to use B and you've got the A equation, you swap where you see A and B. Boom, you got the B equation. It is that simple. Until next time, goodbye.